This is Powerball 2926, Matrix 1. Pick your numbers around the zeros. You can combine two numbers that share the same zero to make a two-digit number. For instance, the zero here and any other zero in this matrix. You can diagonally connect the numbers that are around that zero, 36, 63, okay? Vertically, 7, 8, or 78, which we don't have, just as an example. Horizontal, 19, okay? The red zeros are indicating there should be at least one winning number around those red zeros. I got away from the 2. I got away from the green zeros because I don't want to get below 80% being correct. But the blues or the green zeros should be here when the X crosses over, right on a 0. That's usually a double number, okay? But to be safe, I'm just going to make them all red, okay? Now, I'm showing you these lines I drew because the last Powerball I did, I noticed that where the lines cross over, we're right on our number, okay? Like 54, 42, 23, okay? You get the idea, 24, 29, 28, okay? Maybe another example here, 38, could be a 38. But where these lines cross over are very meaningful. So I'm letting these in so we can look at this together after the draw and see if those crossover lines really did matter. Now I'm not coloring in the zeros on the border. See, I didn't color that in, even though there's an X right there. I didn't color it in because half the time there's nothing there because I'm going off the ledges here. I'm at a 45-degree angle. If there's a 0 there, it's always going to hit it. Okay, so there's always going to be an X if there's a 0 beside a ledge. Same with over here. If any zeros on the right-hand side coming down through here, usually I'm going to connect with a 45-degree angle. I left that go because the last Powerball I had that red. There's nothing there, so I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave that go. I'm just going to deal with the guts. I'm going to deal with what's on the inside. Okay, and we'll see how far we get. But I'm going to leave these crossover lines in here. I want you to see them and see how important they are. See if they are important. See if it's just an anomaly or if it's something that we're learning. Okay, this is Matrix 2 for Powerball 2920. Matrix 1, sorry, for 292026. Putting on paper, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'll have 2 more matrixes to put up for Powerball 29, okay? Catch you guys later.